There are 9 types of hammerhead sharks. These types of sharks are typically 4 to 6 meters long, aka 15 feet. Hammerhead sharks are a vertebrate species and are classified as a fish. They are found in temperate and tropical regions around the globe and are found in both nearshore and offshore waters. They are usually found between 1 to 300 meters in depth. High populated areas of hammerhead sharks include Colombia, Costa Rica, and Hawaii. Their wide-set eyes give them a better visual range than most other sharks. By spreading their highly specialized sensory organs over their wide mallet-shaped head, they can more thoroughly scan the ocean for food. One group of sensory organs allows sharks to detect the electrical field created by prey animals. The hammerhead's increased sensitivity allows it to find its favorite meal. The hammerhead sharks will eat stingrays, squids, octopus, crustaceans, lobsters, and crabs. They will also eat other smaller sharks, even sharks of their own kind. Hammerheads do not lay eggs, unlike many fish. A female gives birth to live young. She can produce up to 13 to 56 pups per litter. Although when a hammerhead shark pup is born, its head is more rounded than its parents. Hammerhead sharks thrive in schools of 100 or less during daylight, and then at night they go on their own to find food. They are usually in schools for protection. This is the most common when a female shark is about to give birth or they feel provoked. Hammerhead sharks are a target or bycatch species for their large fins and meat. As a result, substantial population declines are suspected to have occurred in many areas. Large fins mean a large price tag, and it is not uncommon to see them in shark fin soup around the world. More than 90% of great hammerheads die once they are captured by targeted or incidental fisheries. Most of these animals die to the stress. This high mortality rate, along with their coastal habit and highly valued fin, makes them vulnerable to extinction. There needs to be a bigger restriction on fishing of hammerhead sharks because it's had a huge toll on their decrease. If more restrictions are made, groups might be able to slowly strengthen the sharks' population and take them off the critical endangered species. Because sharks' fins are valued so high in the Asian community and are worth a large price tag, regulations for catching keep being turned away and left as is. In addition to this, added protection of the land where these sharks are found should be required. If groups are able to protect the area of the hammerhead sharks, catching may start to decrease, and with this, the area may also appear to be cleaner. The Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species that ensures that trade of wild animals does not threaten their survival. Since 2013, permits and/or certifications are required to catch them. Also, the United Convention on the Law of Sea, created by an international treaty. This treaty states that fishing organizations must uphold regulations made in order to ensure the conservation species. Personally, we think that this species will continue to be endangered, if not go extinct over time. We believe that there is not much that is being done for this species as there should be.